Welcome. Today, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to turn on your active status on Facebook. This feature lets your friends and contacts know when you're online and available to connect. Let's dive right into it. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once you're in, look for the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it to access the menu. Next, scroll down until you see the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Tap on it and then select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can adjust various settings for your account. Now, under the section titled Audience and Visibility, locate and tap on Active Status. This is where you'll manage whether others can see when you're active. Finally, toggle on the switch next to Show when you're active. When the switch turns blue, it means your active status is enabled, and that's it. You've successfully turned on your active status. By following these steps, you can let your friends and contacts know when you're available to chat or interact. If at any point you want to turn this feature off, simply follow the same steps and toggle the switch back off. Thank you for tuning in. If this guide helped, feel free to share it with others who might find it useful. Stay connected and enjoy using Facebook.